sir. It's Deron, 15 years old. I'm a riding instructor for BT6.
Hi, my name is Treasure. I'm 15 years old and I'm a junior instructor for BT6. I think it's some kind of
merch.
rules.
It's a merch. For sure.
Because if it's only for the instructors, then
Yeah, it's a merch. It's a merch, but it say our quotes on there.
our quotes.
You see how it say Miss Young quotes on our thing?
Or our names.
Yeah, it say both actually. Cause you know how Miss Young got on the Why We Ride shirt, it say her quote and it say Brit Young at the bottom. It probably say my quote from Chelsea.
Nah, Brittany.
Oh, I was gonna say, what y'all need a brick for?
Y'all been talking about what y'all think it is?
Yeah.
But I know it is.
What you know it is?
Oh, I just think it's a merch.
It's merch. We think it's merch.
Yeah, it's merch.
Oh no.
It's merch with our quotes on there.
Like our quotes are our names.
Could I ask for a white shirt?
What, white shirt?
Got black. I asked for a white shirt.
Okay, white shirt. We'll see. I have no idea.
You do know what it is.
So me, Treasure, Tony, Damon, and Tristan.
Maybe.
No, like.
No, you can tell us that.
Right, you can tell us that part.
No, I can't.
Who are, is it just the instructors or certain instructors?
It just might be vibes.
Bro.
Vibes. I do know what it is.
It's merch.
I'm not stupid. It's merch and it got $80 in there. That's what you gave me last time.
60 boxes. They merch.
I can't tell you. I don't know.
Yeah, I can see them B360 boxes. You can't hide nothing. It's merch.
It's merch.
And you better have our quote on there. You better not give her one of your quotes on there. I'm smart. I know stuff. Let's get right. Why is it through them?
Twin
You're not here.
come today. His something wrong with his leg.
Oh, got it.
His leg rig come off. He'll take it off tomorrow. He's going to do it. Let's get right. Let's get right.
Don't open it yet.
You see that? You see that?
They got our P.O. box.
These gloves are dangerous.
it's
Not wearing
She will tell y'all that. I'm going to tell y'all how sexy I look in this picture.
Oh my goodness.
And my mother took it.
Ride for change.
So shout out to you, ma.
Our website
You feel
and
me?
our number.
Beat 360, beat the revolution. Or you gonna be somewhere else. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, we got new hats.
Are you serious? You ain't
I
serious.
told you it was gonna say stuff on it.
Right, like I said.
Yeah. Oh, and yes, girls ride too, and better. Yes, we ride.
Like I said, I caught this.
He said it.
This
He
is
said it.
my,
He said it though.
this is my quote from
That
Charles
was
City
gonna
Kings.
say-
Remember that.
He said it was gonna say that too.
When you pop William Ford, that's a life lesson. You can get back up. It ain't no giving up. That's the one thing I don't do. I don't give up. You hear me? Okay, that's me.
Deron.
I'm ready to point out everybody in this picture. Marvin, Tony.
That's not Marvin.
This ain't Marvin? Who this is? Oh, this Mike. This Mikey. Free Mikey. You hear me?
Oh, we got books.
Shout out to my man. Yeah, Mikey. Is that Tony? That's Tony. That's me. I think this my little. This is Damon. Damon. That's Tony and that's Treasure. Not giving up. Look at that. Look at that. Now another thing. This just 3 months later. This is 3 months later. 3 months ago, I was in the hospital. I was going through it. Now, back on people next. Y'all know how
Read the
we
bottom
coming.
corner. What's that bottom corner say? Be the revolution. What's that say?
What's that? Be the revolution carving out a new lane by creating opportunities and careers one wheelie at a time. Pamphlet.
Be the revolution anatomy book. I mean activity book. We got the anatomy of a dirt bike.
How you got that? I got that.
You do the wrong.
I don't.
We just. Oh,
I don't either.
right there.
See, think you know.
It's on the floor. Questions about the dirt bikes or yeah. The wrong quote. I'm not giving up. Treasure and yes, girls ride too. Tony, we ride so we can't be touched. Damon, it gets kids from negative to positive. Tristan, B360 was the radio that gave me the mic to make sure my voice was heard. What
She about to make it rain. Just act like you don't know.
what am I about to say, Ron?
You about to give us some money? Yes! I can't wait. Yes.
Kinda, yes. So 35% of all the shirt sales go directly to y'all. Right? So with all this. Why did you think I was
You didn't say that. You didn't say it. No,
I
you
did
ain't just
say that.
no, she did.
I did.
No, you did not.
She said I give you money.
Yeah, I get money again.
Yeah, so a part goes to helping us raise money for a space, and a part goes to directly to y'all.
I want to see a lot of big people in the industry wearing this shirt. I want to see a lot of kids wearing this shirt. I want to see, and I inspire a lot of kids, but I want to inspire way more. We up there, but we not just there yet. We at the finish line, but we got go way past the finish line. We got to cross a lot of boards to get where we want to be at.
So it gotta be something new.
Okay. Alright.
It gotta be something new. I knew it was something new. I had a feeling it was something new.
Take it out there. Not that. Not that.
I like it. They say some people understand, some people don't. We ride so we can't be touched. And I wanted to do even more. We're doing something other than being in the streets. Ooh, y'all got my name on it? Okay. Who said my name? Oh, that's me. I didn't even know that was me.
Who said that? Who said that?
I said that. I
Who
forgot.
said that?
Oh my
Who was
God.
the shit when you said that?
I forgot I said. I think we was doing the filming.
Shout out to the kids.
Jones to the Kings. I forgot I said that. We ride so we can't be touched.
Oh, this my, and that's you.
Oh yeah. I'm wearing this now. Hold on, I got Thank you y'all so much.
Now we can put you up.
Don't tell mom.
So they
35% of every shirt sold goes directly to you.
real?
If I start crying, so she can start crying.
Crazy.
Okay.
This feel better. They ain't
We
even-
came a long way, Michelle. Look at your boys and girls.
I don't think Deron got bikes personally.
Yeah, so yeah.
I'm not telling y'all.
Some free merch, I don't know, but we always get free merch.
Yeah, like that.
So a raise, I guess. A little $50 in my pocket.
Alright.
Oh, what that is?
Okay.
Oh, what this is?
Is it
Don't
free
open
merch?
it yet. Don't open it yet.
I feel like it's
I'ma
free
cut you
merch,
down.
bro.
This hard. This box is fire. I ain't gonna hold you. We bang
Alright.
at these boxes.
You ready?
Y'all just gotta try them out.
1, 2, 3. Look at everything.
Oh, this hard. Hold up.
Put that head on.
1 to 1.
Oh, bro, we in a buck. You can color.
Oh, hold on. Where me at?
This hard.
Especially that. He told me to go what was
Mike, okay.
I stay with the merch on.
What's on that hat?
Oh, hold on.
Oh, that's me.
Where did we ride? This is me. God, we got our own personal heads. Hold on,
Oh,
hold
this
on.
hat a
hold on.
little too little.
I think I know what this shirt is. I think our shirt's on the
This hat a
name.
little too little now. Might gotta give me a big joint.
Oh, we got a clip too, done.
You got a clip?
Read what they say. Read what the clip say.
It gets from negative to positive. Hey, you got my quote on that. Stop.
Yo, we got my quote on here.
I'm telling you, bro.
Gave me the mic to make sure my voice was heard. Yeah.
Look at your shirts.
Oh yeah.
Turn it around.
It's all of us on here.
Oh yes.
Turn it around.
Oh yes.
Yo,
We hard.
my name on here.
Read what it say.
B360. Hold up.
It ain't just about this like this.
B360 was the radio that gave me the mic to make sure my voice was heard. Tristan, stop playing with me.
We famous now.
Hey, y'all ain't spell my name wrong. Let's go. I mess with the hat the most. I ain't really lying.
See, look, the winners hating. They trying to check out box.
Alright, so y'all gonna be selling y'all shirts and y'all gonna get 35% of like what sells. And the rest will go to funding for a campus.
Let's
Mama,
go.
we rich. Mama, we rich. I'm telling you.
You ain't get rich out
We
here.
rich, mama. I'm telling you.
God. I'm generally happy that I got put on the shirt for the right reason and not the wrong reason. Instead of getting put on a shirt because my family lost me, I got put on a shirt because I'm doing right things in my community. You feel me? I'm really proud of myself and I'm proud of everybody else too. I'm proud of all my guys. Proud of my sister.
We all on the shirt.
Yeah, like, come on.